Hello everyone, my name is Nirali and here I am to showcase the functionality that we have developed in our Shiny. So this functionality is basically configuring the bar chart at a very fast pace and then we can publish it as a page. So if you see that if over here I have used the Pharmaverse data, and from those data there are few control shift Q. Hello everyone, my name is Narali and I am showing you right now the capability of our Shiny for the bar chart that we have created. So basically I've used the dataset from the Pharmaverse package. From there we have taken different domain and from that created the subject summary, and based on that I am showing the data right now. So if you know about the bar chart, we can directly showcase the data and the value in the y axis. So if let's say I'm showing subject ID and its age, then the data will be rendered like this. I guess the data is much bigger, so it might take some time to get it loaded. But if you see that the data is quite dense, but if I want to, filter it down, it shows me that this particular study is having the age of 71 and this particular study is having the age of 87. So this is something that one-to-one mapping. If we are having the mapping of one-to-one, we can use the by value. The other is by occurrences, and if we go with numeric, then let's say if we want to, you know, take this age at a discrete value, like numeric as a discrete value, then it shows how much occurrence of that particular value. Let's say 70 is having 7 occurrences, then 80 is having 15 occurrences. And if you want to consider it as a range, that how many occurrences are there within 50 to 54, 54 to 58, then this is something that it can be worked. And let's say I want to change the interval, then also it is possible. Yeah. The next is character, and character over here I can take the let's say disposition data, then the disposition occurrence will be visible. For date as well, I can see the month wise, day wise, week wise distribution. There are 4 options available. Now if you want to further give with the customization, let's say I want to see the gender wise distribution, then also it is showing me like this. Apart from that, I'll quickly explain that the bars chart with group, stake and the field chart are available. Then the set grid is also available. I'll show you the quickly demo of it. So over here my data is having like first visit date with gender, ethnic and race wise distribution. And if I want to see, let's say my data is having 10 bar chart and I want to get it in 5 bar chart. Okay, so for that thing I also can do it. So over here my first 5 categories will be visible and the other remaining categories will be converted to the others. So when my chart is quite dense at that point in time, we can use these things. And if I have gone through so many things and I want to get back to the default, I can go back at it. It will show me the notification that default setting has been applied and I am back to the pavilion. The other important capability that we have created is I can select, and based on my selection my data table is giving the output. And let's say the vice versa, I want to make the changes in my output, data output, and I want to get it impacted in my graph, then also it is possible. Let's say I just want to see it for feet. Okay, and let's say it is showing me 22 entries, and if I get it rendered on the graph, it will show me 22 entries only. Yeah, so this is the capability that we have created. Over here we are having a very neatly defined the help pages that you can check it directly what sort of help that you might needed or the guidance you might needed, how the ordering, faceting is working, filtering is working, and everything is there. And the most important important thing is that let's say I am good with this particular data and I want to keep it as a template, then I can do it. Let's say it's a disk. Okay, so this is something that I can use it, and then in the template, in the published analytics, I can see my data based on the saved templates. So these are the things that is very important in the terms of generating the bar chart at a very fast pace and publish it with no time. So the previously we do have to put so much of efforts, and then we could be able to uploaded the code, but this capability will make sure that we work in a way, in a very fast paced way, that it takes no time. Thank you so much.